Well, here's an issue that's been cropping up the last couple of years. And what we have here is the threshold plate here is separating. It looks like it was cracked at one time. And what I plan on doing is using screws to anchor that back to where it belongs. Kitty cat, go back. Sprout, do not go outside. You are an inside cat. And then put some glue in there. Attach it with screws. And then also put some blocking underneath. Also put some go back. You're not allowed out here. So as I said, I'm going to attach some screws in there and make sure it's glued up good. I'll paint it. No, go back. You're not allowed out here. Sprout. Sorry, I have to do this. Sorry. Okay. Whoops. Zoomed in too far. Sorry. So as I said, I'm going to fasten that board back to its original place, put some glue in there, and put a coat of paint on it, and it'll look like new. Okay. Okay, so I ran into a piece of metal or something in there, so I'll have to drill that one over a little bit. Let's get these other ones in though. Okay, that did it. And wait for that to dry. Okay, so now I'm going to
going to fill in any cracks or openings in the threshold that I repaired, and I'll sand it down a little bit, and then I'll be done with that project. Even though it won't be painted yet, we're going to have painters come by in the spring and paint our house, and we'll have them do the door and the threshold at the same time. So what I'm going to do is make sure this is good and mixed up. And I'll use a putty knife and I'll kind of fill in the cracks. Okay, so let's take a look here. Okay, so I've let this wood filler dry overnight. I need to sand that down, and then I'm going to put a primer coat of paint on there, and then we'll have it finished when we paint the house next spring.
So this is just the kind of a primer coat, so it doesn't have to look perfect. I'm going to let the painters finish up when they paint the house next spring. So I'm pretty much done with this project, and this is kind of the after shot here. Looks a lot better. You can't even see that it was ever cracked, and it's been repaired.